Ever wondered how you can start a business with minimal investment? Today, we're exploring a business model that's transforming the world of e-commerce: dropshipping. Imagine owning a business where you don't have to deal with inventory or shipping logistics. That's the beauty of dropshipping. This model involves three key players: you, the seller, a supplier, and the customer. You list the supplier's products on your online storefront. When a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to them. So what's the appeal? For one, dropshipping has incredibly low startup costs. There's no need to invest in inventory upfront. It also offers flexibility and scalability. You can test various products and niches without the risk of excess inventory. And as your sales grow, you can easily scale your operations. Plus, because it's all online, you can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. But like any business model, dropshipping isn't without its challenges. You'll need to find reliable suppliers to ensure timely delivery and quality products. And because the barrier to entry is low, markets can become saturated and competition can be fierce. As the intermediary between the supplier and the customer, you'll also need to provide top-notch customer service. So how can you maximize your chances of success? First, find a niche market with high demand and low competition. This will help you stand out and maximize your profitability. Next, vet your suppliers thoroughly. You want to ensure they're reliable and offer quality products. Marketing is also crucial. Invest in targeted strategies to reach your ideal audience and drive sales. Lastly, streamline your operations. Efficient order processing and customer service systems can greatly enhance the shopping experience. In conclusion, dropshipping offers a unique opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs. With minimal risk and investment, you can build a profitable online business. By understanding the fundamentals, addressing potential challenges, and implementing effective strategies, you can tap into the power of dropshipping and find success in the bustling e-commerce landscape. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. So why not take that first step towards your entrepreneurial dream today? With dropshipping, the world of e-commerce is at your fingertips.